Yeah, hello. I will believe that a bank is not just a place where people save their money. People can as well save their valuable items in a bank. So the Alpha Bank script has been there. So we integrated a Vault account into it. So the Vault comes like a plugin, which if you have the Alpha Bank script, you can just include the plugin in it without writing any code, without any stress. I'll show you how you can do that. Then these Vault features will be automatically added to it. Now let me give you a workaround of the Vault features. Now this particular user has no vote. And if he clicks on vote account, there is a pop-up saying, sorry, no vote is linked to your account. Now, if we close this, there is nothing this user can do because they have no vote, but they can actually do their normal banking transaction, but they have no vote, which is attached to their account. Now, but if we come to the admin, now there is this vote here. You can see the vote. Now, if you click on the vote, there is manage vote. If you click on the manage vote, there is nothing here because I just installed the vote and no vote has been created. Now, how can the admin create a vote? So to create a vote, the admin just come here, it comes to add new. From the add new, a tracking number automatically generates by itself. So that is called the secret key. Now, the admin will select the user. You can say I just installed this, so I don't have users, only the admin and another user, which is this. So giving vote to that user. So if you have a lot of users, all the users will appear here. So you now select the user you're creating a vote for. Now, you enter the next of kin. Let me say Paul. The depositor name, let me say Sam. Then the vote type, that's the asset type. What kind of asset type is it? You can still add more to this if you really want to edit it. That is not difficult at all. Let's say it's silver. Then what's the quantity? Let's say 2 bars. Then the currency, let's say it's USD. Let's put the currency symbol. Then what was the asset worth? Let's say it's 80,000. That's in USD. That's dollars. Arrears to be paid. Let's say 8,000, which is 10%. You can actually change it. You can make it to be 0 if you want. Then date of deposit. Let me just choose a date. Then the status approved, pending, or cancel. You can always choose anyone you want. Then I click on submit. Oh, sorry, the asset has to be only quantity. It has to be only numbers. Now this vote has been created. If I come to manage votes, I can see the vote that has been created. This is the number, that's the tracking number. This is the client name. You can see the client name. So only this client that vote is attributed to. So only if this client is logged in, I can see that vote, the unit, the quantity, everything. You can still always come to edit and change it. So this provides a room for payment for the saving. Now on this client side, if I click on, let me reload it, you can see there is now something here called track your vote with security ID. If you click this, automatically it copies. You can see it copies this code. It copies the secret key. Now if you now click on the vote account, it opens the vote security and asks you for the security code, which I copied. So you paste the security code and you click on asset account. So since that account has been accessed, you can see the information on the vote. 2 silver, this is the unpaid arrears, this is the approved, status is approved, this is the value, then this is the depositor name, the next of kin depositor's date. So it's just something very simple. Now this particular plugin works both for the Alpha Bank and for the Prime Cargo. So it works for both the Alpha Bank and the Prime Cargo. So you can do anything you want here. So there is a vote attached to it. Then you can always go back to your panel and do your other normal banking transaction. So there is now a vote added if that feature is actually necessary. Then for the installation, let me show you a quick one on how to install this when you get the script. Now for the installation, when you install the Alpha Bank script, you get something like this on your file manager. So all you need to do is to click on the USS module. Inside the USS module, this is the copy I will give to you. This is what I will give to you. Then you just unzip it here. Now you can see USS vote. You just unzip it here. So after I've already unzipped this, I can actually delete this. So just that you need to do, nothing else. it populates its database by itself. It does every other thing by itself. Just put this here. As long as your script is updated, just put this here. Then the admin end and the user end, all the necessary things will automatically be added. Then you can now use it as a vote. So thank you very much. I hope you love this particular one.